You wake up, check your phone, and your social media account has been hacked. Your bank balance drained, messages to your friends sent by someone else. Terrifying, right? Unfortunately, this is more common than you might think. But don't worry, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop digital thieves in their tracks with 5 essential tips to secure your online accounts. Stick around because tip 5 is something most people never think about, but could be the one thing that saves you from disaster.
Tip 1. Use strong and unique passwords.
Let's start with the basics. Strong passwords. I know, you've heard it before. But here's the truth. Your password 123, or the name of your pet, just won't cut it anymore. Hackers have tools that can crack weak passwords in a matter of seconds. That's scary stuff. So, what should you do? Create a password that's at least 12 characters long, using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Something random. And hey, let's be honest, you probably won't remember them all, right? That's why password managers exist. They save the day and your sanity. Because unless you have the memory of an elephant, trying to remember 25 passwords might just break your brain.
Tip 2. Enable two-factor authentication.
Now let's talk about adding an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. This is like putting a second lock on your front door. Even if a hacker somehow gets your password, they'll still need a code sent to your phone or email to break in. Trust me, this step alone makes it 99% harder for them to succeed. And yes, it's one extra step, but think of it as the price of keeping your digital kingdom safe. Plus, 2FA code kind of makes you feel like a secret agent, doesn't it?
Tip 3. Be wary of phishing scams.
All right, onto the sneakiest tactic hackers use, phishing scams. Ever get an email that says, "Urgent, your account has been compromised, click here to fix it now"? Yeah, don't fall for that. These are fake, designed to trick you into giving away your login details. If you ever feel an email is a little too dramatic, well, it probably is. Real security warnings won't sound like a bad action movie. Before clicking on anything, always check the sender's email address and never give out your personal information. And here's a cliffhanger for you. What happens when they start getting more sophisticated? We'll talk about that in a minute.
Tip 4. Keep your software up to date.
Next up, and this one's easier than you think, keep your software up to date. I get it, those software update reminders can be annoying, but ignoring them could leave your device open to hackers. Updates patch security flaws. And trust me, you don't want to leave those doors open. So, next time you see that update notification, don't hit remind me later for the 50th time. You'll thank yourself later.
Tip 5. Regularly review account activity.
Here's the one most people forget. Regularly reviewing your account activity. Yes, that means checking if there are any strange logins, devices you don't recognize, or suspicious activity on your accounts. Imagine finding out someone's been snooping around your account for weeks without you knowing. Creepy, right? You can avoid that by checking your account settings regularly. Trust me, a few minutes now can save you from a lot of headache later. Now let's recap. Strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, beware of phishing, update your software, and review your account activity. Simple steps, but they can make all the difference in keeping your online world safe. Now that you've learned how to secure your online accounts, don't stop here. For even more ways to stay safe online, check out our video on tips for safe browsing. It's linked on the screen right now. Stay smart, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.